Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off online status on Reddit. Maybe you want to have a more relaxed and unintrusive experience on the platform by having a limited interactions with other users. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off online status on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, you can now see this button where you can see your online status. At the moment, it is turned on, but since you wanted to turn off your online status, simply tap on this button. The button will turn to gray, indicating that you now have successfully turned off your online status on Reddit. You can now browse the platform without others knowing that you are active on the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off online status on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off online status on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.